Hey, how did you get up there? How did you get up there? I think you should start from the ground floor. That's your cue, honey.
Oh, okay. Try again. Try again, sir. Oh, no.
No, yeah. On his butt.
Alright, let's get you sitting. How about that?
Actually, I think he needs to be in a crawl position. We'll get this right eventually, folks. Please be patient.
Crawl position.
Oh, this is not going well.
He knows he can do it. You can do it, buddy.
I think this is one for the blooper reel.
Alright.
No, he can play with this stuff.
Okay.
Hey, look, honey, chips are very entertaining as well. We thought he was going to pull himself up on the dishwasher, but you know what? Sometimes you find bottles and bags of chips. Oh, I'm sorry. Here.
He was trying to make it less embarrassing that he fell while trying to...
Do you want to put that bottle in the blender? Yeah, grab that blender. It's very sharp. Grab it.
It's rolling away from you. It's rolling away from you. You gotta go get it.
This is a fun game. Maybe you'll be a hockey player someday, honey. Nope. I found the spicy mustard. I'm good. Ethan, we'll lower the dishwasher early for you again if you want to try getting up. No, don't pull me backwards. Ethan, do you want to get up here? Ethan, do you want to get up here?
Go for it.
Ethan.
Go for it.
Ethan, what's up here?
Mommy's hand is clearly up
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh gosh.
I'll hold this steady. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Man.
Oh boy. Yeah, we're in big trouble. We're in big
And then he
trouble.
likes to do the pull-ups
Yeah.
on the top.
You gonna get up on your toes now? You might want to get behind him so he doesn't fall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you
Uh
go.
oh is right. Yeah, we heard you say uh-oh. We're thinking the same thing. Oh, this dishwasher is fascinating. Yeah.
Is that where we give the dishes a bath?
That's right. He's so confused. Wait, you do what? Are you gonna adjust the soap levels in our dishwasher? We don't really use the rinse additive.
Actually, the door doesn't work. If you could fix the door, that'd be great.
Yeah. Also, we don't use a rinse additive. If you could help us out, maybe you can suggest something for us, or... Oh boy, we're in big trouble. This dishwasher is just fascinating, huh? It's like a jungle gym.
Do you want a hand?
I'm just gonna snort here like a...
You should go see Daddy. Go see Daddy.
Yeah, I'm not feeling it right now, man.
He's concentrating.
Yeah, oh boy, he's standing up on his own now.
Oh no, he wants it there just in case.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I thought I was done unloading the dishes, but...
I can do this, guys. I can totally do this.
It's a lot of concentration, isn't it, buddy? You showing us your little berry PJs too? Do with the camera?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Now we're never gonna get
That
the
doesn't go.
Oscar.
That doesn't go in the dishwasher. Are you giving a political speech or something, sir?
I am Ethan. I am your candidate for baby.
Gerber baby.
Yes, Gerber baby. I have 8 teeth and I'm only 8 months old and I can do all this. Oh.